Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. On the daily chart, crude oil has been trading within the range of 6,400 to 6,700. Prices have once again reverted within the mentioned range with a shooting star formation at the resistance of 6,700. While an immediate support should be at the 20 exponential moving average around the level of 6,600, followed by the level of 6,530. That is the 50% retracement of the recent up move. The momentum indicator stochastic should complete a negative crossover as it moves below, thus supporting the negative bias. Hence, any rise should be an upselling opportunity to target the level of 6,530 with a reversal below the level of 6,730. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.